Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and I'm here to show you different knitting gauges. A gauge is the measurement of the piece that you're working on. It's the measurement in stitches this way, how many stitches to the inch, and it's a measurement of rows this way, how many rows to the inch. And smaller yarn works better with smaller needles. Larger yarn works better with larger needles. If you were to knit with small yarn on large needles, you'd get something that's open and airy. If you were to knit with large yarn on small needles, it would be tight and thick and woolly like a sheep's back. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was Different Knitting Gauges.